Fat burning secrets, proven fat burning tips revealed. Introduction. Tired of hiding your muffin top under layers of clothing? You are not alone. About 1/3 of American adults are overweight. Now is the time to transform your soft, flabby body into the toned, sexy physique of your dreams. Forget yo-yo diets and easy weight loss promises that leave you feeling like a fat failure. It is possible to have a lean, traffic-stopping body you can't wait to show off. You've stumbled upon the fat-burning secrets television gurus don't want you to know about. Get ready to throw your fat clothes away for good. It's vital to know how fat is deposited in the body, so you have an understanding of how to make the body lose it. Your body needs food to acquire the necessary energy to function and feed its cells. The calories in food have energy commonly referred to as calories. The more calories the food contains, the more fuel the body can acquire from it. In order to use the food's energy, your body must first digest the food. The process of digestion causes the body to burn some old energy to get the new energy from the food. The more difficult it is to digest the food, the more energy/calories are burned. The body's fuel is categorized as protein, carbohydrates, or fats. This fuel nourishes the body and keeps the body functioning. The leftover calories are eventually stored in the fat cells. Your body uses a part of the food's fuel for nutrition. The excess fuel is eventually stored up as fat in the fat cells of your body, around the kidneys and liver. Fat cells are often deposited in the chest, hips, and waist region. As the cells become bigger, your physique acquires a doughy look. The body has a limited number of fat cells, and there is only so much fat these cells can store. Once the threshold is reached, fat begins to accumulate in the muscle lining of your arms and thighs, creating unsightly, flabby limbs. Secret number 1: eat fat-burning foods. All foods can cause fat creation, but certain foods actually help burn fat. Some foods have minerals or vitamins that raise metabolism and act as virtual fat burners. There are negative calorie foods with low calories that burn extra calories during digestion. Other foods, even eaten in small quantities, deliver a feeling of fullness with very little calories. Sticking to the right whole foods will drastically reduce the fat profile of your body. By eating these fat-burning foods at the right time, in the correct amount, the body fat profile starts to reduce. Add in foods that lower the likelihood of fat depositing in your body for an extra boost. Here is a list of everyday foods that double as secret fat burners. Poultry. Poultry such as chicken has special assets that increase the body's metabolic rate, helping you melt extra fat away. Chicken is low in fat and carbohydrates with a good protein profile. Proteins require a lot of energy to digest, and more energy for proteins to be stored as fat. It is also a great source of iron, zinc, and niacin. For best results, remove the skin from poultry before eating to avoid excess fat. Salmon and tuna. Salmon and tuna are good sources of protein that provides the body with healthy fats from omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Both meaty fish, while satisfying, are also low in calories and unhealthy saturated fat. Eating salmon positively affects leptin, the hormone responsible for burning and storing calories. High leptin levels cause the body to store fat. Salmon and tuna reduce leptin, giving your metabolism the boost it needs to burn calories. Other lean protein. As with other proteins, research has shown the thermic effect of protein is the most of all the macronutrients. Protein require approximately 30% of its calories for digestion and processing. Lean proteins also suppress the appetite, reducing the tendency to overeat. Though poultry has a lower fat profile, lean red meats such as top round, lean sirloin, game, and other white meat have a place in a fat-burning diet. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruit hikes up the metabolism while supplying a big dose of vitamin C, a chemical used in the process of fat burning. Citrus fruits are ranked as the best fat-burning foods you can eat. Oranges, grapefruit, apples, and even tomatoes share these fat-burning qualities. With the large variety, mix several varieties for different flavors and taste. Citrus fruit effectively burns fat around the hips and waist. Apples. An apple a day keeps the fat away. Apples contain a substance called pectin that restricts the cells from absorbing fat and assists water absorption from food. This also helps push fat deposits from the body. The antioxidants in apples may also reduce excess belly fat from metabolic syndrome. Apples have a high level of soluble fiber that helps you control hunger pain. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, cherries, take your pick. Fruits as a whole are packed with vitamins and minerals. They are low on calories and high in water compared to refined foods. Excellent sources of fiber, berries boost the metabolism, breaking down food and fats. Naturally sweet and delicious, a handful of berries will keep you feeling fuller longer and help eliminate the craving for sugary glasses of artificially flavored, empty calories. Oatmeal. A large portion of oats' calorie profile is soluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps control blood sugar and helps you feel fuller longer. Oatmeal also lowers the risk of heart disease and lowering cholesterol. Choose old-fashioned or steel-cut oatmeal and eat with fresh fruit. Make sure to monitor your serving sizes during diet phases carefully. Vegetables. Most vegetables, except for potatoes, yams and sweet potatoes, maintain low calories, yet contain essential vitamins and minerals that improve the body's metabolism. Veggies such as spinach, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, and artichokes contain no fat and very low carbohydrate levels. In fact, they aid in fat burning since your body uses more calories to digest vegetables than they produce. The extra calories needed to break down food are taken from body fat reserves. For example, one serving of Brussels sprouts has 50 calories, but the body needs 75 calories to digest. That's 25 calories of body fat burned just for eating your Brussels sprouts. Beans. Beans are not only full of minerals, they are also low in calories and rich in amino acids. The amino acids in lentils help decrease body fat while helping build muscles and maintain stable blood sugar. In addition, they are excellent sources of dietary fiber, keeping you satiated longer, reducing the urge to overeat. Eggs. Eggs, one of the most nutrient-dense foods, are a natural superfood. Their high levels of protein rev up the metabolism and help you burn fat. Eggs are hands down one of the best fat-burning foods. Among other protein foods, eggs have the most abundant mix of essential amino acids. Despite having low calories, they are packed with vitamin D, vitamin B12, choline, and selenium. It's been proven eggs don't contribute to bad cholesterol, but does improve the good cholesterol needed for a healthy body. Eggs have all the nutrients crucial for good health. Almonds and walnuts. Almond and walnuts are excellent sources of the healthy fats needed for the smooth functioning of the body's cell structure. Just an ounce of almonds has 12% of the daily protein allowance and contains calcium and folic acid. Plus, the form of vitamin E in walnuts is especially beneficial. A handful of nuts is a tasty, crunchy snack to satisfy your hunger pains. Pine nuts. According to scientists, pine nuts contain an abundance of healthy fatty acids. These fatty acids help eliminate fat accumulation in the abdominals. Pine nuts also increase satiety-level hormones along with the benefits of fat reduction. Secret number 2, add fat boosters to your diet. Eating the right food will kick your metabolism into high gear and help you burn unwanted fat. Combine fat-burning foods with these fat boosters to push your metabolism into overdrive. Mustard. Tiny mustard seeds are packed with nutrition including the amino acid tryptophan, omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, calcium, iron, niacin, and zinc. They even have a bit of protein and fiber.
The spicy Asian and Mexican varieties temporarily speed up the metabolism like ephedrine or caffeine in a safe, natural way.
Adding spicy mustard delivers zest to your food and a nice fat loss boost. Onions.
Onions are aromatic, flavorful, and low in calories.
But onions can also aid in weight loss. They are a source of a nutrient called chromium.
Chromium is said to improve insulin and maintain stable blood sugar. So, onions help stop blood sugar crashes and the resulting case of the munchies.
Coconut oil. Coconuts boost the body's energy.
Unlike margarine or shortening, coconut oil is full of medium-chain fatty acids used as an immediate supply of fuel.
Use coconut oil in your cooking to speed metabolism, improve thyroid functioning, and amplify fat burning. Hot peppers.
The chemicals that give hot peppers their spice safely speeds up the heart rate. Some people are able to burn up to 1,000 more calories every day from eating peppers. Spicy foods like chilies and peppers trigger your body to burn fat.
For their flavor and fat-burning properties, hot peppers are one of the best diet foods. Green tea.
Green tea significantly reduces total fat in the waist and skin areas. Green tea has the catechins, proven to raise your resting metabolic rate. That means you keep burning fat longer, turning the body into a well-oiled fat-burning machine.
It has also been shown the catechins interact with the caffeine in green tea.
A perfect substitute for coffee, green tea is high in antioxidants, making it a natural stimulant.
Secret number 3: increase water intake.
Drinking more water helps the body reduce fat deposits. The kidneys do not function correctly without enough water intake. If they don't work properly, some of the load is discarded to the liver. If the liver is doing the kidneys' work, it can't concentrate on its main job of metabolizing fat. More fat will remain in the body and fat burning stops. So drink the right amount of water improves metabolism and keeps your fat burning at full capacity. Water also flushes out toxins and improves the body's ability to stay healthy.
Secret number 4: build muscles. Muscle keeps your metabolism active and burning calories. Adding muscle improves your body fat composition ratio. Muscles are an active tissue that continually renews itself, so it always needs calories.
While normal cardio burns fat only during the exercise, weight training builds muscle, ensuring body fat continues to burn throughout the day.
The main source of energy for muscles is fat.
So, even when relaxing or sleeping, you continue to burn calories. The more muscle mass on your frame, the more positive effect on your metabolism. To avoid your metabolism from getting sluggish and packing on fat, it is important to do weight-resistant exercises to build muscle.
Conclusion.
Now you have the secrets to a beautiful toned body in the palm of your hands.
The only thing standing in the way of a lean, sexy physique is you. Adopt these fat-burning secrets into your lifestyle and you will see results in a matter of weeks. The right diet plan will show you how to combine the fat-burning foods to keep your body melting away the flab. There are countless delicious recipes to make the switch painless. Add a weightlifting exercise regime and you will sculpt your body into an object of desire. Don't let another day pass. The new you is ready to emerge.